Hey there, welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving into a topic that's been getting a ton of buzz lately: how to set up your done-for-you digital business. Excited for this one?
Absolutely. DFY businesses are such a game changer, especially for people looking to escape the usual 9 to 5 grind. But I feel like many people get stuck before they even start. Why do you think that happens?
Great question. Honestly, I think the biggest issue is overthinking. People feel overwhelmed with too much information, and instead of taking action, they freeze. Have you ever felt that way starting something new?
Oh, 100%. I remember when I first started in digital business, it felt like drinking from a fire hose. But once I learned to simplify and focus on one step at a time, it all started clicking. Which brings me to this. What's the first step someone should take when setting up their DFY business?
The first step is getting your system set up. It's like building the foundation of a house. You need a domain name, a sales funnel, and a checkout system. These are the essentials. But the beauty of DFY is that these tools are already pre-built for you. You're basically skipping the hardest part. Isn't that amazing?
Totally. And it's such a relief for people who aren't tech savvy. Speaking of funnels, I've heard you talk about optimizing for conversions. What does that actually mean in practice?
It's all about making your funnel irresistible. You need a strong hook to grab attention, clear benefits to show people what's in it for them, and a compelling CTA to drive action. Think of it as your digital salesperson. It works for you 24/7. Have you ever had a funnel that just didn't convert?
Oh yes, my first funnel was a disaster. I didn't have a clear hook and people had no idea what I was offering. Once I fixed that, the results were night and day. But let's talk about email lists. Why are they so critical to a DFY business?
Because most people don't buy on their first visit. Email lists allow you to build relationships and nurture leads over time. You can automate the entire process, send value-packed emails, share success stories, and make consistent offers. It's like planting seeds that grow into sales. Do you remember the first time email marketing worked for you?
I do. I sent out a free guide, and within a week, I had leads converting into actual customers. It was the first time I realized the power of automation. But here's a big question. How do you drive traffic to your DFY business, especially when you're just starting out?
You've got two options: organic and paid traffic. Organic methods like TikTok videos, Instagram posts, and SEO are free but take time. Paid traffic like Facebook ads is faster but requires a budget. I always recommend starting with organic while you learn the ropes. What's your favorite traffic method?
Honestly, TikTok has been a goldmine for me. The reach is incredible, and you connect directly with potential buyers. But let's be real, there are pitfalls in any business. What are the biggest mistakes people make with DFY businesses?
Great point. First, not taking action. Analysis paralysis is the enemy. Second, quitting too soon. Success isn't instant, it's a process. And third, trying to figure it all out alone. Mentorship and community make a world of difference. Have you ever fallen into one of these traps?
Oh, quitting too soon was my Achilles heel. I expected instant results. But when I finally stayed consistent, everything changed. Speaking of change, what's the one thing someone listening to this should do today to get started?
Simple. Take action. Set up your DFY system, optimize your funnel, start building your email list, and drive traffic. Even if it's not perfect, just get started. Progress beats perfection every time. Would you agree?
Absolutely. The hardest step is always the first one, but it's also the most rewarding. I love that this system is all about simplifying the process and getting results quickly. Any final tips for our listeners?
Stay consistent, don't overthink, and keep learning. And if you need extra support, find a mentor or community that's already doing what you want to achieve. You don't have to do this alone.
Perfect advice. Well, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your freedom starts with action. Let's go build those businesses.